In today's video, let's take a look at Kennedy's classification system. It was proposed by Edward Kennedy in 1923. It is based on the relationship of the edentulous spaces to the abutment teeth. He divided all partially edentulous arches into four main types. Class 1. Bilateral edentulous areas located posterior to the remaining natural teeth. Class 2. Unilateral edentulous areas located posterior to the remaining natural teeth. Class 3. Unilateral edentulous area with natural teeth both anterior and posterior to it. And class 4 includes single bilateral edentulous area located anterior to the remaining natural teeth. Applegate provided the following 8 rules to govern the application of Kennedy's system. Rule 1. Classification should follow rather than precede any extractions of teeth that might alter the original classification. Rule 2. If a third molar is missing and not to be replaced, it is not considered in the classification. Rule 3. If a third molar is present and is to be used as an abutment, it is considered in the classification. Rule 4. If a second molar is missing and is not to be replaced, it is not considered in the classification. Example, if the opposing second molar is likewise missing and is not to be replaced. Rule 5. The most posterior edentulous area or areas always determines the classification. Rule 6. Edentulous areas other than those determining the classification are referred to as modification spaces and are designated by their number. Rule 7. The extent of the modification is not considered, only the number of additional edentulous areas. Rule 8. There can be no modification areas in class 4 arches. The other edentulous will have to be posterior to this edentulous space and will hence determine the classification.